Hello guys. This is the iconic scalping specialist speaking, aka the specialist, aka the iconic. Yeah. So guys, I know it's been a while that I've dropped a video for you to watch, but I guess this time around I'm back forever. I am gonna be trying by all it means to drop a video every single Friday just for you guys to learn from. But without wasting any other time, I want us to focus on something very interesting today, guys. I've realized that most traders, when they trade on the forex market, they tend not to pay much more attention to small details. Of which, on today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys on how to take entries using the market patterns such as M formation and W formation, right? So just want you to pay much more attention, guys, because what I'm about to share with you guys will work for you. Yes, of course. I know that most of you know how to pick the M formations and the W formation, but not every M formation and every W formation would give you a hint as to whether it will move in your favored direction or on your anticipated direction. Hence why I did try by all it means to create this video for you guys. So basically, guys, this is one thing that I want you to see. If you're going to talk about the information, there's one thing that I want you to see. Every time, this is what we're going to be looking for on the market, because the market would always give you different types of information. The other one would have the right shoulder going or the right leg going a little bit above the one which was on the left, or the one on the right going a little bit below the one which was on the left, right? The one which was on the right going a little bit below the one which was on the right. But we don't care, guys. We don't care as to what the market wants to do or what will happen after we take our trades. The most important thing to do there is to do what? Is to make sure that your entry is so perfect. Once you have a perfect entry, guys, all the time, you are going to be able to get your trades right? So I want you to start practicing this much more on every instrument that you can think of. So basically today, I want us to focus much more on VIX, all right? I just want us to start focusing much more on VIX. So these are some of the tips that I look into whenever I trade on the market. Looking at the what? Looking at the market patterns. Basically, guys, there are two ways in which you can enter a trade using the market patterns, right? Which are the M formation and W formation. I'll only touch those for this video, and then on the next video I'm going to be showing you on how you can also now start using those opportunities on other market patterns such as head and shoulder and others. So guys, whenever I'm on the market, basically there are two areas that I look at, right? There are basically two areas that I look at. That is the first leg here, and also whenever the market breaks the neckline of M or the neckline of W, depending on which pattern I'm looking at. These are the two areas that I always execute my trades from. But most of the time, the one that works much more best is this one, which when the market breaks out of this area, even if the market breaks with a small candlestick, you know that obviously the market will now tend to do what? The market will tend to go and complete the first leg on this other area here. No? That's one thing that I want you to see. And the other thing, guys, to pay attention to, that as an individual or as a trader, that you ought to always pay attention to. I know most traders might not have explained this to you. Now, look at this. There's a market pattern, right? There's a M formation, a clear one, all right? But the market has not yet broke the neckline, of which we did try to highlight there, that two areas that we are going to execute our trades from, either from here or from here if we had missed this opportunity, right? So look at this, guys. For us to be able to execute a trade on the market, we have looked at the fact that the market here on this area, allow me to erase everything because you have seen what I am interested on getting to look into, right? I want you to see this, guys. I want you to see this. It's very simple. Whenever you're on the market, the only thing that you need to do is to observe what's happening. Let me just delete everything. All right. Okay, fine. What's happening? Right. Now, look at this, guys. This market over here, or the structure that we have right now, is actually showing us that the market might give us an information, right? Now, there are two traders on the market, né? Those that have entered here and those that are willing to wait until the market breaks this level so that they can execute their trades. Now, for those who have entered here, let me explain to you why other traders decided to execute their trades right there. Né? So if you're on the market, suppose that this other side is not there. What is it that you're going to look at? This other area here, this one was not yet there. Ne? Immediately when you saw the market rising from this part going up, then what you could have looked into as a trader is the fact that when the market gives you something of this kind, whenever the market gives you something of this kind, whenever the market get to give you on the first leg of information, if the market decide to give you candlesticks which their bodies or which had the wicks on the upper side, two or more of them. Ne? If two or more candlesticks gives you the wicks, the more the wick of the candlesticks that you're going to see there, the greater the opportunity for you to execute your trade right there as a sell trade, the more the opportunity for you to close that trade and profit. Ne? So look at this. This was the information, sorry. This was an information, and then what happened? The market went down, right? Right there. This is where you could have actually executed your trade from. Right here, and then the market would have paid you. Now, look at this as well. For this W formation, guys, to rise, this was a W formation. I hope you can see this. This was a W formation. This one, in fact, yesterday I took a trade on it while I was with my friends somewhere. Now, the reason why I did take a trade right there is only because of one reason. Ne? I took my trade somewhere around this area because I was late, but I wanted to execute it somewhere around this point. But I took it somewhere around this point, then I closed it somewhere around here. But we are not interested on where I entered and what reason I have to give as to why I entered late. Now, this is the main reason why I did take that trade. I did get to see that the market here on the first leg of W formation, the market did give me what? The market did give me at least 2 weeks on the lower side. Ne? That is why I did trouble. It means to look into the market and get to see what the market was trying to do. Ne? And then the other thing, when you are looking at the market patterns like that, always make sure that you confirm with other time frames. If you see at least 1 hour time frame showing you a W formation or M formation, try also to go to at least 30-minute time frame to check if you can still see the same thing. Can you see this? Under 1 hour time frame, we did see several weeks from these candlesticks, this other side on the first leg of W formation, right? And the same thing here when we go to 30-minute time frame, the same thing get to be visible there. Sometimes you can also go maybe at least up to 15-minute time frame, but if as long as you have picked the same thing from 2 time frames, it can be 1 hour and 15-minute time frame, it can be 4 hour and 1 hour time frame, it can be 1 hour and 30-minute time frame, or it can be 30 minutes and 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Sorry, 30 minutes and 4 hours is still okay. As long as 2 time frames have confirmed each other, we're always good. Now, this is the thing, guys. For those who are going to be entering the market around this level, they're going to be looking at this condition right there. That the market has to give you at least 2 candlesticks which their bodies had wicks. Usually on my mentorship, for those who are new, I would always refer these wicks as tails. I would say the market had gave us at least 2 tails at the lower side there. Ne? That is why on this other side, when the market came back, because of those tails, the market did go in. The market did go up. Because I'll just be using the terminology tail so that I can get those who are new to understand everything clearly and very quick. And then there the market did go. Now, the other thing can be, if you want to always wait for the market to give you a breakout of the neckline. Remember what I said. You can always enter when the market is below there, or you wait for the neckline to be broken. Ne? So those who waited for the neckline to be broken, what did they do? They waited for the market to break out of this area right here. Let me place a horizontal line. They waited for the market to break above this area. So once this candlestick closed right here, what they could have done is that they could have waited for the market to close even with this candlestick, and then once the candlestick closes, what happens? The market would give them profit. Ne? If they decide to place their buy trades right there, then the market would do what? The market would pay them. Why? Because it's going to be very difficult for the market to break this neckline and then also break going down again or reversing, having to reverse. So that is why the market did go up. At least if you could have just placed your take profit around this area, it will still be fine. Yeah. So this is it, guys. Let me just show you some of the videos which I did make previously for my students. Let me just join them so that you can see what actually happens whenever we get to trade in respect to this market patterns. I am also going to be posting my other barcoding strategy very soon on this channel, guys. Make sure you wait and you get to be a partaker on that video. On that video, because it's a video that consists of a very powerful price action strategy which not everyone knows of. Ne? You'll see most of my trades nowadays are always barcode. We are always going barcoding. We are always barcoding. So guys, make sure you watch everything and pay attention to it and try to learn something from it. Those of you who do not have deriv accounts, below I have gave you the link to open a deriv trading account. And then those of you guys who want to trade currencies, make sure you click the link below for currency account. It's from the broker which is called Fresh Forex. Make sure you open an account with Fresh Forex, and if you want funds with it, make sure you talk to me. Anyway, let's get into it, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I missed my first entry right there, but then I did spot out this breakout right here, and immediately after I took it, the market went up with me, but then I did hold. And then look at this, the market is back in profit. The market is back in profit. So this is how we do it. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we kill the market. This is real account as usual. This is real account as usual. So yeah, guys, keep on practicing this thing and you'll be sorted. I'm telling you, guys. Yeah, we're back again. Look at this. This is a pure price action skill application. This is just an information structure right there. Can you see this? An information structure. Okay, now this is where we got the market from. Then the market went down, making a neckline of M formation. Then the market here, it did go up right there. Okay, so what I did, I had only one row on the market. That was only to identify the market neckline, of which it was around that level at about 6776.922, right? So after the market broke my neckline, which was this candlestick, which caused a breakout of the neckline, my only duty there was to place sell trades. Why? Because this is an obvious sell, right? So I'm expecting the market probably to go up to this point right there, or at least go up to this area right there, right? That's what I'm waiting for on the market. We're doing all this on real accounts. Remember, we are people of real accounts, but it doesn't matter if you're trading on real account or demo account. After all, guys, what we're just trying to do is to apply the skill that we have, right? So even if you can zoom out on 15-minute time frame, you realize that okay, fine, 15 minutes is not that clear, but 30 minutes time frame it is, clear for us to see that information. See this? This is where we get everything from. So just an application of skill, guys. Let's just keep on holding and see what the market would do. So let's just keep on holding. Sometimes we just grow small accounts like these ones just for control. Just for control, guys. Just for control. Just for control, guys. Just for control. So yeah, this is it, guys. We are here again. Like I told you, it's the thing. My name is a specialist. I told you that I know what I'm doing. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. We're trading real accounts, like I told you. We're trading real accounts. Ne? 3 trades running in profit. You see? You see? You see? This is how the market will always behave, guys. This is how the market will always behave. A break of like 9 that I got my trade in. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So yeah, you're trading live. So I mean, just like I said, I was looking for this take profit right there, probably somewhere around here or down there. I can always close if I want to close, man. I mean, yeah. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. Guys, this is the strategy that I taught you yesterday. Look at this. We had a breakout right here. That's why I did place so many trades. This is 1 minute time frame. I have over 65 trades running. I have over 65 trades running right now. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. Just a quick reminder of the strategy that I shared with you last time, guys. Remember, every time, whenever we're on the market, we always have to wait for a breakout right there, right? So this is where the market broke out, and this is what actually made me to take my trade. So the market broke out with this candlestick right here. Remember, those who were in my last class would know why I took this trade. So the market broke out. We could have placed our first buy right there, but unfortunately I was offline by then. So what we had to do was to actually have this trades running, and then from there, that's why I did have my trades from there. So as you can see, every time, whenever we get into the market, guys, we have to make sure that we utilize every single thing that we have learned on the market. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. We're on real account as well. You're on real account as usual. We're on real account as usual. So guys, it's just a matter of you having to practice everything that I've taught you for you to be able to go far. If you don't practice, then there's nothing that I can help you with. I'm still repeating the same thing over and over again. It's up to you if you want to get it right, or if you still want to continue being where you are. So yeah, let's kill VIX, guys. VIX is the simplest instrument that I would ever recommend you guys to trade. But if you're still learning, just continue trading, boom and crash. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Hopefully everything that I've shared in this video will be able to help you to become much more confident on the market. And please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so that I can keep on adding much more content to help you guys to grow with your forex trading journey. My name is Iconic Scalping Specialist, and I am signing out.